Hi, my name is Natalie, and I'm a therapist here at Restore Counseling. At Restore, one of the areas that we specialize in is trauma. And this is part 2 of my trauma series, where today we will talk about some of the symptoms that most people who have experienced trauma might be experiencing and what that means. So some of the symptoms I screen for in people with trauma is hypervigilance. So really being aware of everything that's going on around you and worried about what each movement or thing that somebody else might do might mean. Something else that might happen is sleep disturbance, bad dreams, difficulty falling asleep, waking up in the middle of the night, sleeping too much, not feeling rested when you wake up. Trauma can also impact your appetite and might lead to appetite changes, either an increase or a decrease. Trauma can also increase other emotional reactions such as anxiety or depression, or you might feel like it's a little bit of up and down, really happy, really sad, really anxious, not worried at all, in a confined way, in the context of what might have happened to you. Something else that might happen is some difficulty in relationships. If you've experienced trauma because of something that somebody else did, you might not feel like you can become close to people. And this might impact your social, family, professional, and romantic relationships. Another thing that trauma might do is impact your desire to think about what happened. You might feel numb. You might feel really upset when thinking about it, and both of those are normal. You might avoid people or places that remind you of what happened, and that makes sense too. So these are some of the symptoms that might come as a result of trauma and what you might have experienced. If any of these symptoms are resonating with you and you realize maybe I experienced trauma, or maybe the trauma I experienced hasn't been fully processed, and you would like to process it and begin healing with a therapist, please reach out and we would be happy to help you.